What's going on, Team Lethal fans? It's November. We got Black Friday sales going on all month long. Can you guess what's on sale this week? If you guessed McLeod and their clutches and any accessories, you guessed right. And today I have two of our favorites and two of the go-tos when it comes to clutch selection. We got the McLeod RST and we got the McLeod RXT. Quick little rundown here. We got the McLeod RST. This is a great clutch for the daily driver with a little bit more kick than normal and likes to go to the track every once in a while. This thing can hold up to 800 foot-pounds of torque. It uses an organic material and it feels just like stock. We got the RXT right here, which is pretty much the same setup but with a little bit more clamping force with a ceramic material. This allows for up to 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. Now, this is definitely going to be daily drivable as well. It's going to feel stock as well, but it's definitely going to have a lot more clamping force because of the material used. The great thing about these clutches is that they can definitely put in the work when needed, but when they don't, they both feel stock. Do not forget to match these up with a McLeod stainless steel clutch line and any other accessories that you might need when you're doing a clutch job. Guys, I can't stress this enough. All McLeod accessories and clutches are on sale 20% off until November 12th. If you have any questions as far as what accessory or what clutch kit would be best for your car, give us a shout, 561-753-8105, or shoot us an email at support@lethalperformance.com. If you don't have any questions, I guess I'll just meet you at lethalperformance.com and get your 20% off. I'm Pobs, and I'm out of here.